Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
National Secretary ke BJP ubadipet ya kejala Meghalaya Anil Anthony habakran berkinong thok khobor halor ke jingpen bena ya ki kirtong MDC ulaong shan kaseng kan sapen bena ya ke kerteng ulaong bamenta kasngi kila jet ya president bathamai bathapo ke jingpet jong kaseng kan la bantrei kam nang ni shakmat kaseng shan kan sapen bena ya ke kerteng jong ki kirtong ki banya khun ya ke election hadalhi badru hangni ha Meghalaya ki banya khun ya ke election MDC na ke HADC bat GHADC udan jingkerman bakaseng kan le bha ha kan ke election ha ka bede ba gajinya dan bentalang hapo ke sarkar MDA Anil Anthony ulaong ba Jingïatreilang bat ke NPP kadang Khlaiñ bat Ïatreilang ban Kyntiew ya ka roy kapar kum ke jing thmu ke ba menteri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi angnut.
He is a very valuable ally of the NDA. In multiple states we have alliances, and here the Bharatiya Janata Party and the NPP are in a very strong alliance. We are working together to forward our Honorable Prime Minister's vision in the Northeast region.
So what do you expect from the new re-elected president?
The president has been earlier appointed only 1.5 years ago, and in this 1.5 years the president has done commendable work in the state. The number of booths, our booth penetration has increased almost 3 times under his leadership. And we are very sure that in the next 3 years under his leadership, we will have presence of the party in every mandal and booth across the state. And next state election, we will be having a much better performance, much bigger improvement than our 2 MLAs we have right now.
You must have analyzed why.
No, we did not contest. Assembly, right now we have 2. But like I already mentioned earlier, 7 years back in the northeastern region, the Bharatiya Janata Party did not have a single state. Right now, 4 of the 8 states in the northeastern region, including Assam, including Arunachal Pradesh, including Tripura and Manipur, we have full majority. Another 3 states, including Meghalaya, Nagaland and Sikkim, we are a part of the government. Here also the party is growing. And we will see a day where we are the number 1 party in Meghalaya also.
One question to the president. What to wait?
By increasing everything, our booth and everything will straighten up again.
There has been criticism about your style of functioning. There has been criticism about your style of functioning that they could not make inroads into areas in the grassroots.
There is, in every political party, there is always a criticism, the leader. Even Modi ji has been criticized. So I am nothing here, I am only a state president. I have to organize the party and strengthen the party, that's all.
He is my boss, Anil, and he is the property here. And I just came yesterday. And I declared I have done my this duty. I am going back. And about state, he will say this. And as National Secretary and property, Anil will say.
So you have trust in the new re-elected president that you do better.
You think about that question and you answer yourself. Organization elections. Justice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.